Are you ready to turn your ideas into a STEM website without any coding? Discover how Canva's intuitive design tools can help you create a professional online presence in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, building a beautiful site has never been easier. Join us and unleash your creativity with Canva today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can build a website in Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create visually appealing websites with ease. With its drag-and-drop interface, a wide array of customizable templates and designs elements, Canva enables users to build a professional-looking web page without any coding knowledge. It's perfect for anyone looking to establish an online presence quickly and creatively, whether for personal projects, portfolios, or business needs. So all I have to do right now is just come back to the top, and you have just to sign up with Canva by clicking over the button of sign up. You will find it here, and also you click over login if you already have an account, but that's why we don't have an account, because we have already have an account here. So this is the home page. This is my account, sorry. You have just to click over home and you'll find other page, which is this one. So right now you have just to search for websites like that, and you click over enter and you'll find the template here. So let's just waiting for it. We have the template. I will just click over see all to see all the templates. So we have just to select the template that I think it's better. For example, I will just select this template, but firstly it's just select the filters that I want. For example, about the categories, I will select here if is it business, social media. For example, if you select business, you have just to select the one you want on business. All right, we have here also social media if you want Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, as you can see. And then we have here education, video, then we have marketing, print products, then we have cards and invitations as well. Then about the style, we find here modern, minimalist, simple, professional, colorful, animated as well. Then we have here the theme, and we have also here the language feature, about grade as well. Then we have here the subject, topic, then we have here the pricing. As you can see, about the price, I will just select the free one. About the color, you have just to select the color that you want and you click over apply, and then you find the template that you select. So for example, I will just select this template and I will click over customize this template, and then you will find the page of designing the template. So I will show you how you can do that. So we have just firstly to select here the template that you want. For example, if you don't like this one, you have just to click over design in the left, and also we have here the option of zoom in, zoom out. Then here we have, if you wanna here thumbnail view, if you wanna also grid view, as you can see. In the left you will find here the option of design if you want other templates, if you wanna also layout, if you wanna styles, and also if you wanna, for example, elements, you will just search, for example, about phone, for example, phone, and I will find here the graphics or the phone icons you want. So for example, I will select the phone. For example, I will select this phone and I'll put it here. As you can see, I will just modify the size, and I'll put this one. As you can see, or you can just also select this one and you select the one you think it's better. For example, I will just select also, I will just see all this, then I will just go to the graphics. As you can see, so we have just to get started and you select the one you think it's better. For example, also we have this one, and you put it and you load it all other phones. Then also if you want to add a text, if you want to delete this one, you have just to click over here and you delete it. Then you have just to add a heading and you select the size and the color that you want. Here we have the size, the color as well, and also I will select the size if I want here, for example, the max, it's this one, and also I will just select if I want here this one. As you can see, for example, I will select here 36, and then I will add whatever I want. Also we have it for add a subheading, or if you want to add a little bit of body text, Then we have also here the font combinations as well. All right. Then also we have here the brand, uploads, draw, and we have also here project if you want, the optional application, QR code, about here uploads, about brands. Firstly, we have if you want to add logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos. Then we have if you want to upload something, you click over upload an image or video, and you have just to upload it. Then also we have here the option of recording your image or video. You have just to click over record. Sorry, I will just click over yourself, and you'll find at the page which is this one. You have just to click over record and it started recording. All right. Then we have also here other things such as, for example, here if you just scroll down, it will just come back here to customize this template. Sorry. All right, as you can see, for example, I will just upload whatever I want, as I just said. Then also we have the option of draw. If you want to just select here the color that you want, if you want a razor, or also if you want other color, you have just to select the color that you want. For example, here I will select just the color I think it's better. Then I will select the one I want. Then also we have the option of projects, application, QR code, as you can see. Then it will get started. Also here we have other options such as hit file, resize if you want to edit it as well, or if you want to comment in or viewing. Then we have here if you want to endo or redo, and we have also the option of all change saves. Then we have also if you want to try pro, and also if you want to just share with our friends, people with access, you have insights here. And we have also your current page, and we have here preview, publish website as well. Then also I will select here the thumbnail view, the grid view, if you want to preview, and if you want to ask or as well, right? So right now you have just to click over share, and you here select the name or the group of email, and also we have other option if you want to just put it anyone with the link can access. For example, anyone can access the design using this link, no sign required. Also we have here other options. Here we have download, website, public view, and if we see all, we have a public view link, website, present template link, present and record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, and we have embed as well. Then you get started with this one. All right. So Canva simplifies website creation by providing an intuitive platform with customizable templates and design tools. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, it enables you to build a standard online presence without any coding. Start your website journey with Canva and bring your creative ideas to life effortlessly. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys have a fantastic day ahead.